Welcome to day 15. And today we're going to talk about something, a very important part of when you shoot videos, whether it's on the camera, in the webcam, or with your iPhone. And it relates to connecting with the viewer through the lens. And it can be intimidating in the beginning when you start your live streams or video taking that you're focusing, looking at yourself on a screen. That's a very common mistakes. And so I have a couple of tricks that I'd like to share with you, what I've been doing, and I still continue doing them when I go live streaming with a webcam. And that is to showcase some part that reminds me always to look in the lens. So let's look at a couple of ideas here to share with you. One way, what I do here with the webcam, I always try to think about that I'm talking to you, that you're right behind the lens. So that's the way I'm projecting in a different way. And another thing is that a very simple trick that I have learned, and is a big trade secret I'm going to share with you. And this is to put a small sticker on the webcam and a smiley, because that reminds you about smiling when you talk to your audience. And a secondly part is when you do with the iPhone, that is also quite, sometimes you don't really know where the lens is, and you look at the screen just to see how you look. But that doesn't really matter. You should pay attention to your audience. So here's a trick. You see this little yellow sticker I put there? I just put that in front of next to the lens, and that reminds me, when I look there, I also look at the lens in the same time. And these are just a couple of tricks that you want to consider when you do go live and talk to your audience, and that is how to best connect. So that's the tip of the day. So, and we'll see you tomorrow again.